This is sangria, so let me just show you guys. Very, very crunchy. Extremely crunchy. Oh, it's getting mine. Don't do that. I need these. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be using these hair paint waxes. I have 4 colors, but I did a poll on my Instagram and it was kind of a toss-up. It was between sangria, dragonfruit, and bombshell. So bombshell is what I have back here. It's like a blonde, but it looks more gold than anything. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do the rest of my head in sangria. I just did this patch test to see how it would like play on my hair. I don't know, I might not even continue because this is crispy. I might have to wait until my hair is moisturized to use this. Alright, so what I'll do is I'll do a patch on this side of sangria just because I said I was gonna do this video. Having a little. Welcome back to my channel. I do my hair, I do try on hauls, I do everything. My name is Goldenchildchi, aka Chinara. So if you're not already subscribed, go ahead and hit the red subscribe button down below because we be doing cool stuff and having lots and lots of fun. But let me just try this sangria out on this side. So I'm not using gloves. I just don't feel like it. It says you're supposed to, but I just washed the gold off my hands with no problem, so I'm not really pressed. One thing I will say about this gel is that it definitely does define your curls. Well, before I did this side, I did like wet it a little just to get it to be like more detangled, but I didn't do that on this side. Now, I did read that a little goes a long way. Well, I heard in a couple of other videos, but yeah. I'm kind of doing my own thing here. So this is sangria. It's looking very interesting. It definitely does coat your hair, so I feel like it does a way better job than I thought it would because I didn't expect it to like coat my hair seamlessly, but it definitely is. No doubt about that. And I feel like whenever I put any gel in my hair, it gets very stringy and then it starts to like shrink up and curl. So that's what's going on here. It's giving heat damage, but it's definitely not heat damage. Okay, so this is bombshell, sangria. Since we're here already, we might as well try dragonfruit, which is another like cult favorite. Everyone was like, try sangria, try sangria, try dragonfruit. So I'm finna give y'all what y'all asked for. So now I'm gonna try dragonfruit, which was like everyone's pick for some reason. Very crunchy, extremely crunchy. So I don't know, a lot of people were saying that this product was like moisturizing and all this jazz. And I'm just not getting that from it. Like, yes, my hair is dry, but like, sis, now, there's no way my hair is that dry for it to be just like feeling like ramen noodles when I put this product in it. So I don't feel like this product is moisturizing at all. I'm gonna keep that 100% with you guys. Maybe this is best after you do like a very moisturizing deep conditioning treatment, but it's like, I don't think I would wear this long term. So it's like, why would I put this on freshly washed hair? In my opinion, like, I don't think I would put this on freshly washed hair. See, this is why I didn't want to do dragon fruit. It's giving like, oh no, it's giving something that I don't want. I'm not really into these like super bright colors. But then my boyfriend said sangria look ratchet. I mean, I don't know. I don't know. I'll probably do my whole head in another video, but right now my hair is screaming for a deep conditioning, and that's exactly what I'm about to do. Like, my hair is literally crying out for me. Like, please stop putting this in my head. And if you guys didn't already see my Instagram stylist like attack horror stories video, you'll know why my hair is compromised. So I have to be very careful of what I do with this. So doing this right now is even like doing too much, in my opinion. That's not bad. It's just so bright. Like, I can't see myself like having a full head of like purple hair like this. That's not really my style. I'm really a black girl. I'm blonde if I'm feeling like crazy. But I tried 350 braids, which I have a video on, and I didn't love it. Like, it just was not doing it for me. I just felt like it didn't go with my skin tone. I just did not like how it looked. But I did rock them for a little while, but it just didn't look how I expected it to look. Like, I always thought I would be an auburn girl, but it's not giving auburn. It's giving, please stop. Well, this is what it looks like. It definitely does coat the hair really well. I will say that. It definitely is a true hair paint wax. It definitely looks like I dyed my hair, but it also does have that like tacky feeling to it, which I'm not really into. Like, I'm not into it. It's just too much. Like, it feels tacky. But it is super defining. Super, super defining. But it's just too tacky. But it doesn't, I feel like it doesn't look tacky, except the back. The back is giving crunch. The back is most definitely serving crunchy girl. But the front, not so much. And that may be because I need to trim more of the back of my hair off. And also because the sections are just so much more uneven in the back versus this is like kind of a more even distribution of hair. It did a really good job defining my curls, but it's a very crunchy, hard hold gel. And I'm not someone who does like wash and go, so I rarely use gel. So this is like not natural for me. I also don't know like how you would style this. Like, let me see if I can do like a twist to like mimic a fake twist out to see like the texture it would give. I did see someone do like a rod set, which is like risque, because personally, my hair feels so hard right now. Like, my hair feels crazy. And I also don't know if I would be comfortable like combing through my hair with it feeling this dry. Like, that's very nerve-wracking for me. But I need a trim badly, so that may be why my hair feels like this. Yeah. Or maybe my hair just has too much buildup. There's a lot of factors in play right now. I don't know. It's giving neon paint. Like, I don't know. You know that spray hair color they have? That's how it looks to me. Let me know if you guys think the same in the comments. I will not be like going forward and doing this with the rest of my head just because like it's just a no. Let me know if you guys like it. Like, I don't really get it. Like, I would not keep this in my hair long term because my hair feels like literally horrible. I did not use the gloves when I did it just because I don't follow the rules. The directions do say to use the gloves, and I'll just read it to you guys briefly. It just says, wear gloves during application, take an adequate amount of color wax in your hand, use your fingertips, apply product to hair, style as desired. I don't think my hair could realistically be styled with this in it because my hair is so hard. So I don't know if as soon as you put it in, you're supposed to like do whatever style you're doing, but then that kind of wouldn't make sense because then you would have to add the wax section by section. So that is my first qualm. 2, the ingredients list is very strange. So honestly, I don't know what half of these things are. The only thing that's familiar to me is water, beeswax, and alcohol and glycerin. The rest is obviously like coloring agents and all that stuff. So as far as safety, I don't know. There's also a caution that says this product contains ingredients which may cause skin irritation on certain individuals, and as a preliminary test, according to accompanying directions, should first be made. What? This product must not be used for dyeing eyelashes or eyebrows. To do so may cause blindness. And I did see a couple people, and I was honestly gonna be one of those people that like put it on my eyebrows, but then they're like, it can, oh, it's getting in my eye. Don't do that. I need these. But yeah, like it says that it can cause blindness, like for some color wax, like, but then again, it's just like, there's a lot of things that are harmful to your hair, like perms, hair color, like everything has its thing. If my lips are crusty, I'm still uploading this video, just so y'all know that. It says you're supposed to test it on your skin behind your ear or the inner surface of the forearm using either soap and water or alcohol. Then apply a small quantity of the color wax, let air dry. After 24 hours, wash the area gently with soap and water. If irritation or inflammation is apparent, do not use. The test should be carried out before each application. So like, do they think my reaction to it will change? I don't know. There's a lot of suggestive things on this bottle, this jar. So I probably won't be using it again personally, and I'm honestly about to wash it out. I was gonna leave it until tomorrow, but after reading those labels, I'm like, do I want to go blind? Do I want to have skin irritation? No, I just got a chemical peel. If you haven't already seen that video, go and check it out. But yeah, it definitely does work. If you want a temporary color, I think it's, let me wash this off my forehead. But if you want a temporary color, I think it's a good option. I don't know how much safer or how much more efficient it is than hair color spray, but I've seen a lot of people use it and they look fine. So if you're someone who wants temporary color, I think it's a good brand to check out. I'm not sure of the pricing. I actually got mine in my curl box, but I will look it up for you guys. $9.99. So $10 is not bad for like hair color. I guess it's not like outrageous, but it's just not for me. I probably won't be using this again unless it's like for Halloween, and even still, I'd rather get a wig. I'm gonna deep condition my hair now. I'm getting a haircut tomorrow. I will have a video on that. I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, you know the deal. Go ahead and hit the red subscribe button down below. Give this video a big thumbs up and comment down below with your experience with hair paint wax. I'm also like very much of a scaredy cat when it comes to like experimenting, and I don't use gel often, so that could be like skewing my perspective of this product. But I don't really like taking risks, but I did it for y'all, so you guys tell me what you think. I know it doesn't look bad, but it feels horrible. Like it feels crunchy. Like I'm not used. Actually, this is not bad. I think maybe I put too much in the back, but I don't know, it's dry. Like it just looked dry, but that could be because my hair was already dry. But a lot of people said that this was moisturizing, and it's actually coming off of my hands. So just so y'all are aware, yeah, that's it. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Hopefully I'll have better ends, better life, better livelihood. Bye guys.